Now this is a high performance kayak. It's 22 feet long, carbon fiber, weighs about 19 pounds, and it's too long really for this Prinsu Pro rack with its cross beams that are about 4 feet because of the fin on the Tundra that sticks up. So it worked for a little shorter surf ski that I raced with, but for long term I got a Goodboy rack that I'll be installing and painting and putting it on here to give me that extra length rather than these J racks. These J racks are great for side loading, but I just need something with a beam to give me that longer support on such a fragile boat. There's the V-racks installed. They look great and they are rock solid. You can see I used the T-nuts, 6 bolts, stainless steel bolts with lock washers on there. And this is not, I mean, I can shake the whole truck with that. So that's gonna hold the boat no problem. I am gonna have to get some steps to load the boats in there. So that's gonna be another project. But all in all, this one is a great success. I highly recommend these V-racks from Goodboy Paddlers. Here's some more details on how I installed this Goodboy rack. I didn't use the diagonal clips that go over the top of these that it comes with. Instead, since this rack has T-slots, I drilled holes, 6 of them. Had to be precise, and it wasn't easy. I had to cut off a little bit on one. I should have used a straight measure instead of the tape measure, because these things have to be precise, but they're all in, and it is just rock solid. I used stainless steel bolts, lock washer. Had to use 2 washers because 1.25 inches just were not long enough to get to the T-nut, and then enough to bite. So this is a 2.5 inch, 1/4 inch by 20 bolts. They work just great. I'll probably paint them black, but this is super solid, and I think a great way to attach this kayak rack.